Welcome to our channel Facts Parliament. Animals are amazing things. All of us are very unique and sometimes very unusual in our behavior. We are fascinated by all things nature. So we have put together a list of all of the very best and most interesting and rounded funny facts about animals we could find. Before we dive into the pool of knowledge, remember to hit that subscribe button. This way you get the access of all the cool and useful video that appears daily on the Facts Parliament. So let's get started. Number 1. Tiger have false eyes on their back of the ears. You may have noticed that tiger have prominent white marking on the ears from certain angles. It may not look like anything special, but when seen from a particular direction, they actually look like a large eyes known as eye spot. It's there to discourage predator from attacking them from behind.
Number 2. A scorpion can hold its breath up to 6 days, can survive a whole year without food. Scorpion can climb almost any surface and it glows under ultraviolet light.
Number 3. 36 armed dolphins trained by the US Navy to kill terrorists have been missioned since 2005. The dolphin carry toxic dart guns capable of killing a man without a single shot.
Number 4. Female stingray can store a male sperm for a year and use it to become pregnant whenever they want.
Number 5. Elephant brain react to the human in the same way that human brain react to the puppies. They think we are cute.
Number 6. If a female fox dies, her mate will stay single forever. But widowed female fox looks for a new mate immediately.
Number 7. Cat sleeps an average of 2/3 of their life. This would mean a 9-year-old cat has been awake for 3 years.
Number 8. 2 tablespoons of honey would give a bee enough energy to fly around the world.
Number 9. Crocodiles are fast on their feet but cannot turn well. If one is chasing you, run in the zigzag lines.
Number 10. Snakes are unable to close and blink their eyes. They always sleep with open eyes.
Number 11. There is a fish that when eaten causes severe hallucination lasting up to 36 hours. It was a parry drug during Roman Empire.
Number 12. An electric bound fish as known as electric eel can generate electricity up to 650 volts.
Number 13. Sharks are the only animal that never gets sick. They are even immune to every known disease including cancer.
Number 14. If you tickle a rat day after day, it will start laughing whenever it sees you.
Number 15. The world's most fearless creature is honey badger. According to the Guinness Book of World Record, they are always ready for fight and attack.
Number 16. Pandas don't have particular sleeping spots. They simply fall asleep wherever they happen to be.
Number 17. Ostriches can run faster than horses and the male ostrich can roar like lions.
Number 18. Giraffes have one of the longest gestation and are pregnant for around 453 days to 464 days.
Number 19. The blue whale can produce sounds up to 188 decibel, which makes them the loudest animal in the world. The sound can be detected as far as 530 miles, that is almost 853 kilometers.
Number 20. Pumas are long jumper of cat world. They can make massive leaps of 12 meters. It's almost 40 feet.
Number 21. Leopards don't need much water. They survive from the moisture they get from eating their prey. They can jump forward 20 feet and leap to feet 3 meters straight up.
Number 22. Male wolves are extremely caring and gentle with their female partner. They make for life and only death is able to separate them.
Number 23. Crows love to pull tails. It's a strategy they use to distract an animal from eating, so they can steal its food, but they have also been known to do it just for fun.
Number 24. The adult uses its long sticky tongue to eat as many as 50,000 insects in one night.
Number 25. Dolphin can recognize their old friend even after 20 years of being separated.
Number 26. Female Greenland sharks don't reach sexual maturity until they are 150 years old.
Number 27. Dik-dik, one of the world's smallest deer. It only grows to a maximum height of about 40 cm or 16 inches.
Number 28. It's so easy for flamingo to stand on one leg. Even a dead flamingo can do it.
Number 29. Snakes have the ability to sense an earthquake from 75 miles away, up to 5 days before it happens.
Number 30. Most of the insect noises you hear at night are them either having sex or trying to get it.
So that is all for today. If you like this video, share your thoughts in the comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and click subscribe to stay on the Facts Parliament. See you on the next video.